Congratulations. If you're watching this video, you're taking the first step towards communicating with influence in a virtual environment. Your time is valuable and we don't want to waste it. Therefore, clear your calendar and make a commitment to yourself to be all in for your virtual live experience and private coaching. The content builds throughout the session. Individuals who have checked in and out have struggled and didn't receive the value they were expecting. This virtual live experience is unlike most. It's highly interactive. Everyone turns on their webcams and you do most of the work. You'll get out of this experience what you put into it. There are several steps to help you prepare. Please complete the listener analysis that you will or you have received via email. Return to us on the due date in that message. We do look at these. Your answers are critical as they help us prepare our discussions and private coaching to meet your expectations to make sure you receive value. Have work-related, persuasive topics in mind. These topics can be a meeting you had last week, one coming up next week, a sales pitch, or a team update. I'm guessing you have plenty of topics to choose from based on the many virtual calls that you have. Throughout your experience, you'll be participating in video record exercises. These are powerful. You can only understand the skills and techniques if you do it. The key to our client success, momentum and repetition. We help you create momentum and repetition through practice and feedback. What can you expect? Our promise is to increase your self-awareness of how much influence you really have rather than what you believe to be true. Is what you're saying consistent with how you're saying it? What do your messages communicate? Are you adapting your message on the fly to meet your listeners' expectations? Are you connecting, engaging, and communicating with impact during your virtual interactions? You'll be asked to create or edit a conversation you plan on delivering in the near future. We'll share with you a powerful tool called a Communication Quick Start. This tool promises to help you grab your listeners' attention in 30 seconds or less and reach a specific call to action. All of this is accomplished when you can take a closer look at how others perceive you rather than how you feel when you're communicating virtually. We want to make sure you have the tools you need to continue the momentum, the repetition for your development. Therefore, throughout the session, you'll be given action steps and how-tos for holding yourself accountable. Our session is one step closer to mastering the skills of influence. What you do with the skills and techniques after a session will determine your level of influence. You'll also receive a private coaching session that gives you an opportunity to focus on you. What do you want to practice? What expectations do you have? Because you get to practice and ask for feedback in between your group and private coaching sessions, you're able to check in with yourself. How are you improving? What areas of communication do you need the most work? If you come with an open mind and a willingness to work, I promise you, this virtual live experience will have a positive impact both personally and professionally that can change the way you communicate forever. If you have any questions, please email our executive assistant, Amy O'Day. You will find her email address below this video. We look forward to working with you.